Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Learning, they say, never end. Eat this fruit every morning to detox your kidney and reverse CKD naturally. Your kidney is one of the most vital organs responsible for filtering waste, balancing fluid, and regulating blood pressure. However, some factors like poor diet, dehydration, and chronic condition can lead to kidney damage or chronic kidney disease. The good news is that nature has provided us with powerful tools to support kidney health, and one of the simplest ways to do this is by incorporating specific fruits into your daily habits. In this video, we will explore the best fruits to eat every morning to detox your kidney, improve kidney function, and reverse chronic kidney disease naturally. At the end, I will review a powerful kidney detox smoothie recipe that you should drink every morning to improve kidney function fast. So make sure you watch until the end because this could save your life. Why your kidney needs detoxing every day. Did you know your kidney filters about 50 gallons of blood every single day? They remove excess fluid, toxins, but when your kidneys are overloaded with too much sodium, sugar, and processed food, they slowly start to fail. This can lead to dangerous conditions like kidney stone, high blood pressure, and chronic kidney disease. If left untreated, kidney disease can result in dialysis or even kidney failure. The science behind kidney and fruit. Before diving into the list of fruit, it is important to understand how fruit works to support the kidney. Fruits are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help reduce inflammation, neutralize toxins, and improve overall kidney functions. They also contain high water content, which help flush out waste and toxins from the body. Additionally, many fruits are low in potassium and phosphorus, making them kidney-friendly option for those with CKD, chronic kidney disease. Sign your kidney needs a detox. Frequent urination, especially at night. Swelling in the feet, leg, or face. Fatigue and weakness. Dry, itchy skin. Foamy or dark-colored urine. But here is the good news. Mother Nature has given us some incredible fruits that can flush toxins, reduce inflammation, and repair kidney damage naturally. Here are top fruits to eat every morning for your kidney health. Number one fruit is cranberry. This fights kidney infection and UTI. Cranberries are a powerhouse for kidney health. They contain compounds that prevent bacteria from sticking to the urinary tract, reducing the risk of infection. They are also rich in antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect the kidney from oxidative stress. How to eat this? Drink unsweetened cranberry juice or add fresh cranberries to your morning smoothie. Blueberries. This protects kidney cells from damage. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants called antioxidants, which help protect the kidney from damage caused by free radicals. They are also low in potassium, making them a safe choice for those with chronic kidney disease. How to eat this? Add a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries to your oatmeal or yogurt. Apples. This lowers cholesterol and cleans kidney. Apples are high in fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help reduce cholesterol and prevent kidney damage. They also contain pectin, a type of fiber that help detoxify the kidney. How to eat this? Enjoy a fresh apple as snacks or slice it into your morning cereals. Pineapples. This reduces kidney inflammation. Pineapples are rich in bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation and break down toxins in the kidney. It is also low in potassium, making it a great choice for kidney health. How to eat this? Add fresh pineapple chunks to a fruit salad or blend them into smoothie. Watermelon. These are the ultimate kidney cleanser. Watermelon is over 90% water, making it an excellent fruit for hydration and flushing out toxins. It also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect the kidney from damage. How to eat it? Enjoy a slice of watermelon on its own or blend it into a refreshing juice. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C, manganese, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and support kidney functions. They are also low in potassium, making them kidney friendly. How to eat this? Add fresh strawberries to your morning smoothies or oatmeal. Add fruit to your oatmeal and cereals. Top your morning bowl with sliced apples, strawberries, or blueberries for added flavor and support kidney. Stay hydrated with fruit-infused water. Add slice of watermelon, cucumber, and a few grapes to a pitcher of water for a refreshing and detoxifying drink. Snacks smart. Keep a bowl of fresh fruit on your kitchen counter for easy access to kidney-friendly snacks throughout the day. Additional lifestyle tips for kidney health. Why this fruit can significantly improve kidney health. It is important to adopt other healthy habits. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Limit your intake of processed food, salt, and sugar, which can strain the kidney. Exercise regularly to improve blood flow and support overall health. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption, as this can damage the kidney over time. Here is a powerful kidney detox smoothie that can clean your kidney and boost your overall health. Here are the ingredients. Get a watermelon, cranberries, blueberries, apples, lemon, and a cup of water. Blend all the ingredients until smooth. Drink every morning on an empty stomach. Stay hydrated and repeat daily for best results. In conclusion, Your kidney plays a crucial role in keeping your body healthy, and taking care of them doesn't have to be complicated. By incorporating these kidney-friendly fruits into your morning routine, you can naturally detox your kidney, improve their function, and even reverse the effect of chronic kidney disease. Remember, consistency is the key. Make this fruit a regular part of your diet, and you will be on your way to better kidney health in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on natural health and wellness. Have you tried any of these fruits for kidney health? Let me know in the comments below. In case you don't know me, I am Chinenye Harriet. And if you like natural remedies, like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.